Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you had a fantastic weekend. I hope you're ready to face the market this coming week. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, leave a quick thumbs up, and let's dive right into it. So this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at we're going to look at the breakdown of the major currency pairs for the coming week. I hope to make this a series, so be sure to subscribe so that you won't miss on the future content. Now, the first major pair we're going to look at is the Euro USD. As you can see here, the prices were in some sort of a descending triangle, this right here, right? Some sort of a descending triangle. As you can see, prices were creating lower highs, coming all the way down there, and then finally breaking below this support zone, right? And then turning into a resistance, right? But although prices have not yet retested here, that's what we're hoping to happen for this coming week, because prices have broken below this market structure. And as you can see, it was a strong market structure. So it was retested once, twice, thrice. And on the fourth time, that's when it broke. So this is a currently very strong market structure that we're expecting prices to retest here before actually continuing to go down, right? So that's what I expect on the Euro USD. I expect to see prices retest this market structure and keep on heading lower as it has already broken this market structure. So now it will turn into a resistance. So we can actually incorporate the Fibonacci here and see where it lies. The two golden levels, the 0.61 and the 0.5, are the ones that we're going to be looking on the lookout for in case prices actually retest these zones before they actually keep on heading lower. So that's how I expect the Euro USD to be playing out in the coming week. I expect it to be in a bearish trend. I expect it to be in a bearish move for the most of the coming week. The next currency pair that we're going to be looking at is a major GBPUSD. For GBPUSD, as you can see here, I also expect it to have a bearish move as prices have broken below this pendant, this ending diagonal pattern. Prices have broken below it and are right now about to retest this broken structure, which actually confluences with this resistance zone here, which was retested multiple times, 1, 2, 3 times in the past without breaking. So right now when prices retest it here, I'll be expecting to see prices actually push all the way down here to this market structure at around 1.335. But I wouldn't be so fast at selling this currency pair. As you can see here on Friday, the daily time frame, you can see that on Friday, prices actually closed with a very strong bullish momentum. So I'll be letting it give me the confirmation if prices will break this market structure or if it will hold. If it will break, then that means we'll be looking for further continuation to the upside all around to around 1.3840, right? But if it bounces off here and it gives us a confirmation candlestick, we'll be looking for prices to push down all the way down to around 1.334. So that's how I expect GBPUSD to play out. Um, and similar to the Euro USD, since the GBPUSD and the Euro USD are mostly positive correlated, so I'll be expecting whatever happens in the Euro USD might have or has a bigger possibility of happening in the GBPUSD. So the other pair that we'll be looking at is a major, the USDJPY, right? Now, the USDJPY is in a very strong bullish uptrend. As you can see here, prices were pushing, breaking the market structures, keep on pushing high and all that. So after it broke that market structure, this market structure here, this one right here, prices did not retest, right? This market structure, after it was broken, prices did not retest. They went all the way up here to the next market structure. So right now, what I'll be expecting to see is I'll be expecting to see prices come back and retest this broken market structure before they actually keep on pushing higher. And if this market structure doesn't hold and it breaks, I'll be expecting to see prices push further. And if this doesn't hold, I'll be expecting an even further push all the way down here, right? So right now, what I'll be expecting when the market opens is to see a push to around here. And then from here, whatever happens, we'll be watching the market. If the market will actually break or if this market structure will actually hold, then we'll know what to do then. But as for now, I'll be expecting to see prices fall all the way down to around here to around 104. 61, right? So that's how I expect to move the prices to be moving on the USDJPY, USDCHF in the coming week. Another major prices have actually prices have actually broken below this market structure here. As you can see, we had a support zone here that was retested multiple times, 1, 2, 3, 4, without being broken. And on the fifth time, prices broke, coming all the way down here to the next market support zone, forming a inverted triangle, head and shoulder, excuse me, before actually breaking the neckline and then pushing all the way up here, right? Now, once prices reached here on the daily, you can see it has formed a bearish railing, meaning this is a reversal candlestick. So from here, I'll be expecting to see prices push all the way down here to retest this neckline down here. That will be my first stop right here at this support zone or this neckline here. This is where I expect prices to push down all the way up here. As the market opens tomorrow, I'll be expecting to see prices push all the way to come around down here before we actually see what happens here. If this market structure will hold, then we'll be looking for further continuation on the upside. But if prices break this market structure, then I'll be expecting to see prices push all the way down here to around 0.87. So that's how I expect the pairs to play out in the major currencies from tomorrow when the market opens. I hope you had a good time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If the video was of value, give it a quick thumbs up. Leave me a comment below to know which currency pairs you'd like me to add in the coming webinars. And also, don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss on the future content. Without further ado, I'd like you to have a great evening, ready to face the market this coming week. Peace and love, guys. Peace.